Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams to Planner for task assignments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Navigate to the team where you want to connect Planner. Click on the apps icon located on the bottom left corner. In the search bar, type Planner and press enter. Select the Planner app from the search results. Click on the Add button to integrate Planner into your team. Choose the channel where you want the Planner tab to appear. Name your Planner tab according to your project or task. Click Save to create the new Planner tab. Once the tab is created, click on it to open Planner. Now, you can create a new plan or link to an existing one. To create a new plan, click on New Plan. Enter the name for your plan and set the privacy settings. Click Create Plan to finalize your new plan. After creating your plan, you'll see options to add buckets. Buckets are used to categorize tasks. Click on Add a Bucket to start organizing your tasks. Once your buckets are ready, click on Add Task under the desired bucket. Fill in the task details, including the task name and due date. Assign the task to team members using the Assign option. Make adjustments as needed and hit Add Task to save. Repeat this process for additional tasks as required. You can also drag and drop tasks between buckets for organization. To view all tasks, click on the Schedule or Charts tab within Planner. Review the progress of tasks using these tabs for better insights. To get back to Teams, click the back arrow on the top left. Your Planner tab will remain accessible within the selected channel. Now you can easily manage tasks with your team using Microsoft Teams and Planner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.